Hi, happy Tuesday. I am going to share this into the group real quick and then we will get moving with our training this morning. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how you choose the right social media channel for your business. Now, the reason that we want to look at this is there are so many different social media channels to choose from, and if we choose the wrong one being one that our potential customers are not really spending any time on, then we're wasting our time and our effort. So I don't want to see anybody do that. So because of that, I figured let's talk about it a little bit this week. So I'm going to share that post and then we're going to jump in real quick and start looking at what we need to do to choose the right social media channel for our business. So you hopefully know I'm Rachel Lindhagen. I am with Etched Marketing and Etched Marketing Academy, and I help busy working moms start businesses that allow them to leave the corporate world behind. If you are tired of feeling overworked, overwhelmed, stressed, feeling like you are missing out on something, no matter where you are, whether you're at work, you feel like you're missing out, you're at home, you feel like you're missing out, you feel like no matter where you are, you're juggling and you're afraid that a ball is going to drop, because that's what it kind of feels like sometimes. Then hopefully I'm your gal. And what I do is teach you marketing strategies and business building strategies and things that you can take and leverage and use to build that business that will allow you to have the freedom and the flexibility that you so desperately need and want in your life. I am a working mom. I have a 4.5-year-old son. If you ask him, he's almost 5. He's like ready every day. When's my 5th birthday? I have been in business for myself for about 3 years, and it has made the biggest difference in our life and in my family's life, and it allows me to continue to use my education and my experience and my background, and today I get to help other moms. You don't have to be a mom to learn from me, but I find that that's really my passion, is to help other moms figure out how to make that change. So today we're going to talk about social media channels for your business. And part of why I want to talk about this is there are so many opportunities. There's so many channels to choose from. You've got LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Medium is kind of sort of social media, more publishing, but there's so many. Snapchat, you name it, there's a bunch of them. And so it's hard to determine which one is right for you. And so sometimes we end up making that decision just based on our gut or based on what we think is right. But there are better ways to do this. And part of why I want to teach you how to find out for sure is because there's a lot of time and effort and sometimes money that goes into supporting a social media channel. And if we're choosing one that's not the right one for our business, we're not going to reap the results that we were hoping to find. So what I want to introduce you to is something that you may not know exists. There's a whole blog post on the blog this week, and I will link to that in the comments to show you all the data behind the channels and which one is right so that you can help figure this out. This is a section that I teach in my Marketing Foundations course that I also teach in my Business Builders Blueprint, which is a new program that's coming at you later in 2020. I will soon have an opportunity for you to join a wait list on that. Super excited to roll that out. But what I want to teach you about is how you figure out where your ideal customer spends their time on social media. Because, like I said, there's so many options, and let's be real, supporting social media strategy for a business can be very time consuming. And when you are trying to build your business while you're working, or maybe while you have children at home, or potentially you're trying to do it and take on client work at the same time, or you're trying to find clients, there's so much going on. You don't have time to invest in the wrong thing. And we certainly don't want to put money into a channel that's not going to work for us. So how do we figure out? There's this amazing study done every year by Pew Research Center. And you may not be aware of it, you may not have seen it or heard of it before, but the Pew Research Center does a study every year about social media usage. And they look at the demographics and they ask people about which channels they use. And then they break that data down for us and they share it in the report. And it shows us by channel what age range tends to favor that channel, what income bracket, what education level, where they're located, whether it's urban, suburban, whether it's rural, what gender, male or female. So we can then look, if we know our ideal customer, if we know our ideal customer is this person, this gender, this income level, this education level, living in this area, we can very quickly identify our ideal customer in that data and choose the right channels for us. There's no more guessing. There's no more, I think, let me test this, let me try this. With the data that Pew publishes that's free, you can figure out for sure where you want to spend your time and effort. And then that way you can create a strategy to support the channel that your customer is most likely to spend their time in. Rather than trying to focus on all the channels and really doing nothing very well, you can zero in to the channel that your customer is spending their time in. You can create an amazing strategy for that one channel and you can see really great results. You can grow that channel, you can grow your engagement, you can build your connection with your audience. You can build that know, like, and trust factor that we talk about by providing the type content that they're looking for in the place that they want to find it. So if you're curious about all of this, you're wondering, have you chosen the right channel for your business? Are your efforts not working because you're not publishing the right content, or is your customer truly not on that channel? Come over and read the blog post and see the information on it and find out where your customer is spending their time. I would love to know from you, did you find that where you thought you should spend your time was where your customer really was? Or did you find out that maybe your customer was on a different channel than you thought they were on originally? I would love to know. That's it for today. Just a quick opportunity, quick training for you so that you can learn something more about marketing. If you have questions after reading the blog post and looking at the data, let me know. I'm happy to jump in and answer those questions and help you. If you want more in-depth training like this that really walks you through every step of the process and really breaks down how to build a business, how to figure out who your ideal customer is. Maybe you heard me talk about your ideal customer and you're like, Rachel, I'm not sure who my ideal customer is. I think I know them, but I can't answer those questions that you just asked. Then I want you to kind of keep in the back of your mind, there's a program coming for you. We're working on it. It's going to be amazing. It's based on feedback from former students and my private coaching clients. And they're seeing really good results. And we've made a few changes to it. And we're really going all the way to the beginning because I know some of you are saying, I'm really good at what I do, but I don't know anything about business and I'm not sure what kind of business I could even start. So we're starting at the very beginning with what kind of business can you start? What kind of lifestyle do you want to build for yourself? What are you hoping to achieve? And going all the way through the actual creation process, creating your business plan, putting together your marketing plan, selecting your business name, your logos, your fonts, your branding, getting you to the point that you're launched and you have a marketing calendar to work from and you know what kind of content to create every week. It is an amazing program. I am so excited and cannot wait to debut it and have our first round of students in this new updated program because it's going to be awesome. So stay tuned. As soon as I've got an interest list, a wait list page ready to go for the website, I will share that with you so that you can make sure that you're the first to know about enrollment for that one. So start thinking about it now, and I will see you back again soon with the next training. You guys have a great Tuesday, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.